Hey guys, Devin here at Colton RV and Marine here in Orchard Park, New York. Today I got something special for you. This is Dave from Coachmen. He is my Freelander representative. We're going to be talking about what's new with Coachmen this year.
Yeah. Hi everybody, Dave Daniels. Love to show you around this 2024 Coachmen Freelander Class C. We'll just kind of buzz around the outside and then go inside and show you what we got changed. So we're doing standard molded fiberglass front caps. As you see, that seam comes all the way to the side, so we're now standard molded caps on all of our products. We got side view cameras and nice wide running boards on this model here with the Escalade package we have this equipped with. It does have power heat side view mirrors there. We run a nice big full length awning. You see you got the LED lights underneath there, your party lights here on the action side of the coach. This one is also equipped with our optional outdoor TV. You'll have a 24-inch TV there with the sound bar built in. Got a little storage compartment right next to it there. And as we move down the side of the coach, a couple other things. You've got your tankless hot water heater, which is new for 2024. That's going to be your furnace that's on board. You got some outlets here on the side. Also, you got another little storage compartment here as well, where you can do an optional flip-out table if you wanted to, but you got a nice storage there. Working our way to the back of the coach. Before we go here, we do have a LP Quick Connect. We have a large 68-pound LP tank on board on all of my conventional Class Cs on these Freelanders. Moving to the back side, got your backup camera. You see it's actually on a swivel mount, so you can either point that further out to traffic or down further at your vehicle, whichever you prefer. LED tail lights. Got the nice built-in bumper here, and we do have 7,500 pounds of towing on these E450s. Small storage compartment here, but really where you see that pass through is on the back side here. So large storage cavity for e-bikes, all your storage things. It even has a spot for a spare tire down below there. Nothing from the factory, but if you wanted to add a spare tire, you can fit it into that little compartment right there. You got your 55-gallon fuel tank and your fuel fill right here. Outdoor shower, city water drain outlet connections. You've got your satellite cable there. We are a 30-amp coach, and this does have dual airs, which I'll talk more about inside when we get in there. Here's just access to the back of the fridge, but it's also where you're going to set your auto gen start settings. You can set it by runtime, by temperature, and by volts. So that's where all your settings will be, and then your triggers on the inside. Slide toppers come standard on all of our coaches with slide outs. Down below here, you've got your, like I mentioned, large 68-pound LP tank. Before we move any further on that, I want to just mention our CRV Super Spring ride. That's actually a Super Spring helper spring that we add to these coaches. It's going to help with roll stability, sway, and payload capacity. You have another storage compartment here. Just got some electronics in there, but a little cavity there. And then final compartment on this side is your NPS generator. And this thing is a 4,500 kilowatt generator. It's got your controls there, and if you pop off that shroud, you'll actually have a pull start in there as well, and it's a Yamaha motor. So unlike the conventional Onans you've been seeing in the industry, this has been a great upgrade to start using on our RVs. Heading back around the front. Again, you saw that molded fiberglass front cap. We've added these LED lights up front just for a little ambiance. Those are on a switch inside. All my coaches will have built-in gutters, just like on your house. You want that rain to deflect to the front and the rear. Don't want it falling right over your doorway. All these E450 chassis are now the V8, 325 horse, 7.3 liter Godzilla motor from Ford. So they discontinued the V10 a few years back. That's pretty much it for the outside. We'll go ahead and step on in. We got a nice big entry grab handle here. It's got a little door latch there where you can secure it so the wind doesn't take it. You do have a screen door for getting that breeze on those non-hot days like today. But let's go ahead and step on in. As we get right here, we'll go over some of the stuff in the doorway. This one's equipped with the Bigfoot auto leveling hydraulic jacks. Here's the auto gen start trigger. So when you want to activate the auto gen start by those 3 settings we saw over on the other outside of the coach, you can activate it there. Coming on the other side, you've got a 30 amp charge controller with a 200 watt panel on board. You can actually add up to 600 watts total on this 30 amp charge controller. Your patio light, cap light, entry lights all right there, your awning controls. Here's where your breakers are. Nice and easy to access there. Coming on inside, we have got this nice setup here. If you notice, I have it set up without the dinette table in. This is what's called our 5-in-1J lounge. And as you see, it sits across from the sofa. You can do optional theater seats here, but the sofa gives you those extra sleeping. And then swivel seats. These are always nice because it's adding an extra 2 to 3 foot to your motorhome. Really allows you to join the space and you know, bring everybody around, and you got this nice wide open floor space with the removable table. Like I mentioned, this 5-in-1J lounge, you can actually pull this out, put a cushion on there for extra seating. This will open up into a sleeper bed as well. 40-inch TV up top, that is a smart TV. We are equipped with the 4G Wi-Fi system on board, so you can tether all this stuff to that, get to the campground and connect your 4G Wi-Fi system. Up top, you've got your cab over bunk. We are 800-pound capacity. It is 95 across by 57 deep, so one of the industry's largest cab overs available. We have switched recently to a telescoping ladder, so you don't have to carry that big ladder around. Also, we've added storage and cup holders with some USB ports up top here. That cab over does come with a child safety net. Keep those kiddos from rolling out in the middle of the night, or keep your cargo storage in. There's that extra cushion for the extension. There's your countertop, and it does come with a pull here. I can show you how that goes in nice and easy. Pretty quick and simple. You just mount that down kind of like a boat. Tighten that down, and now you got your nice sturdy dinette table there. Nice cab over storage on both sides. These flip up, so they're not side swinging doors. They're nice top hinge doors. You got the glass inserts on that side. Over here you got some deeper storage. There's some of your extra cushions, your cab over cover, your cover for the inside of the cab over. We do have pleated shades all throughout. Nice valance covers there. Stepping into the kitchen. As you can see here, we've got a nice large fridge. We use the same size fridge on every floor plan, whether it's 24 feet or 33 feet. It is a 12-volt fridge, and we do have a disconnect here as well, so that way you can fully shut off the power when you put it into storage or when it's sitting on the lot. But it is a nice deep fridge with a top freezer. Keep your stuff nice and cool. Pantry. This floor plan does come equipped with a pantry right here next to the fridge. Everybody loves their pantry. Got a drawer down below. Now, something that we changed from 23 to 24 model years, we used to have the microwave up top with the oven. We've moved the microwave down below. With the Escalade package, you actually get the convection and air fryer microwave, which is real nice. Also, having it down here, you're not having to pull stuff down from way up high in the air. Obviously, you gain more storage up top there. Got another nice storage cabinet here. Storage there, and that does pass through to the other side where you have access to this side here. And I love this little feature where you pop this open and we have all these nice deep drawers. You see they're all slow closed now for 2024. Need more countertop space? We got you covered on that as well. Nice big deep round sink here, stainless steel drop-in. You've got the nice high arching faucet with the pull down sprayer. It's got the pop-up power tower. It's got the new charging cable and your traditional USB with a couple of outlets there. Here at the entry door, got more storage space. Lots of storage in this coach, only 27.5 feet bumper to bumper. We call this the cab over, or the entry door storage. Used to be the magazine rack, but that's where you keep your dog leash. Like I mentioned, the 4G Wi-Fi system. Our AC system, we have a 15K BTU AC with a heat pump on board. It is ducted. So when you open this, you can let down most 80% of the AC. When you close that, it's going to send it through the ductwork. It's going to run back into the bathroom and then all the way front into your cab over. Here in the middle, you've got your main control center with your tank levels, your slide controls, generator start and stop, water pump, tank heaters, Wi-Fi. You do have several lights here for the entryway. Again, here's your digital thermostat for your main 15K AC with a heat pump. We are now tankless hot water heaters, like I mentioned, on the outside. Another feature that we added was these step lights on a switch here. So that way you don't trip over it. At least you got something that's going to light it up for you. This is a cool concept here that I like, is when you got your bedroom door shut, you will have access to your wardrobe from either side. So nice big wardrobe on that. As you see, we got several drawers here under the wardrobe. And stepping on back into the back, something unique about this floor plan, again only 27.5 feet, is we have a 60 by 80 walk around queen bed. Okay, this is a fold up bed. The bed folds, the slide comes in, you still have access to the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, we got a couple cool features in here. So one thing that we added for 2024 that I think is a big dang deal is we've added the AquaView shower miser. That's your water saver system. Basically, when you turn on your hot water, you're not going to waste those few seconds of cold water filling your gray tank, wasting your fresh. It'll recirculate. Once that blue dot turns white, you know you got hot water in the line. Open the line, you didn't waste a single drop of hot water. It's got, this one's still equipped with the glass shower door. And as you can see, there's not much counter space here. We do have a porcelain toilet, but if you mention there's not much counter space, we have this nice little pull out here where you can actually have some more prep space for getting ready. Medicine cabinet off to the side. Got your towel hook here, a couple of towel hooks there. We do have that ducted AC with an AC vent in the bathroom, which is very important on those hot days when you're getting ready. All right. Coming back here, you know, on the bed, we do still give you nightstands. Some manufacturers, they try to squeeze that queen bed in and you don't get some nice nightstands up there. Nice deep cab over storage above. Window in the back for ventilation. You do have an emergency exit window back here. In the back, this one is equipped with the optional rear AC, and we are a 30 amp coach, but we can run both ACs off of our 30 amp because of what's called a load share system. You have an 11K BTU AC back here, and like I mentioned, the front AC is a 15 with a heat pump, and you can run both those. Just on a hot day, you don't want to turn them both on at the same time. Once you're at temperature, these can easily run together. This will be tied to like your convection microwave. Some floor plans have a fireplace, things like that. So you can always run your main AC, but you can run both ACs if you're not running everything in the coach. Little nightstand storage on the side here with a little countertop space. It is prepped for a TV with your coax cable and some GFIs. And that's it for the bedroom. So as I mentioned, this is a lot of the new features for 2024 on our 26DS, which this is our #1 selling floor plan at Coachmen. Has been for several years. Like I mentioned, 27.5 feet bumper to bumper, 50 gallons of fresh water, 55 gallons of fuel, plenty of space. And again, you're in a nice compact size, so we love this floor plan.